Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a video demonstration of this Alaska JCPenney 42-inch Hugger ceiling fan. This is installed in the living room of my cabin. I did make a video of this on my old channel, so as you know, yeah. But you guys all know what happened to that. This one I'm actually gonna, instead of using the switch, the speed control switch on the wall, I'm gonna actually use the chains, the pull chain on the fan, which I don't think I've ever done before. This has king blades, 2 non-king blades, reversible. There's a sticker there. I'm wondering what it says, and I'd like to know. Yeah, would you look at that? Alaska, it says it right there. This one has, this fan has a it's sweet speed switch. It does work fine, but it goes a bit differently from a normal fan. Here, let me show you. So, obviously we have the can-arm twister. I mean the Litex Vortex and the can-arm twister. These operate like a normal fan, where you pull it once, pull the chain once, goes high, pull again, goes medium, pull again, and goes low. And you pull again, it turns off. Again, this one is the same. High, medium, low, off. Well, this one goes low, medium, high, which I think Casablanca fans do that as well. So we'll start it out on low. I may do a separate video using the wall control, but I'm not sure if I'll have time for that, but if I really want to, I'll probably do it. If I don't have time, then, or if I don't have time or I don't feel like it, then I won't. I just realized I never turned on my lights outside on today. I just realized that as I'm looking outside. This fan does also have a wrist chain. There's medium. So if I tried to use it as like a conventional fan, I'd actually send this straight to high, because this is still 3-speed. The chain acts weirdly. And finally, here's high. And I think I just put it to low. Here's high. Blows a good amount of air because it's an older fan. Well, some modern fans do still blow good air, but anyway. So I guess I'll quickly do the speeds on the chain, on the wall control. So there's high. It's exactly the same as the chain. This is medium. And here's low. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.